flight of the horizon, the majestic lives of hawks. Exploring vision, habitat, and the hidden lives of Earth's regal hunters.
By AI for Kids. In the pages that follow, journey into the world of hawks, majestic creatures of unmatched vision and adaptability. With each storyboard, we'll delve into their habitats, behaviors, and the roles they play as ecological balancers. Their story is not only one of biological wonder, but also cultural significance. Learn about these awe-inspiring predators and join efforts to conserve their presence, ensuring they continue to grace our skies as poignant reminders of the beauty and complexity within nature. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Vision beyond compare.
Enter the world of hawks, where vision is their greatest ally. With eyes designed for precision, a hawk can spot the slightest movement from a distance. This extraordinary visual acuity allows them to glide high above the ground yet pinpoint their prey with remarkable accuracy. Imagine soaring above the world, every detail below as sharp as if you were standing right next to it. This is the hawk's world, a testament to nature's ingenuity.
Hawks, the epitome of clarity, possess a magnificence in their vision that transcends the ordinary. From high in the skies, the earth unfurls as a detailed tapestry beneath them. As the day unfolds, I scan the vast landscapes. Each movement, each ripple in the grass tells a story only I can read.
Masters of adaptation.
Hawks thrive in a diverse range of environments, from urban areas and deserts to dense forests and open grasslands. This adaptability is key to their survival, showcasing their resilience and ability to find food and shelter wherever they find themselves. Picture a hawk perched on a skyscraper, adapting seamlessly to city life, or soaring through forested canopies, blending into countless ecosystems.
Adaptability is the lifeblood of hawks. From the heart of urban jungles to the serenity of forest expanses, hawks epitomize the art of thriving wherever they are. No matter where my wings take me, there's a rhythm to life, an unspoken harmony that I have mastered to perfection.
The art of prey.
Stealth and precision mark the hunting prowess of hawks. They patiently watch from high perches or execute swift dives from the air, capturing their prey with a practiced grace. Their diet is diverse, from small mammals to insects, making hawks proficient hunters. Envision a hawk swooping through the sky, its focus unwavering, as it embraces the hunt, a dance of life and death.
In the theater of life, hawks are the consummate performers. Their fluid movements and calculated strikes are a testament to their predatory excellence. In every pursuit, there is an elegance to be found, a silent story as old as time itself.
Guardians of the balance.
As top predators, hawks play a crucial role in managing the ecosystems they inhabit. By controlling prey populations, they help maintain ecological balance and contribute to biodiversity. Imagine a world where each creature has its place and purpose. Hawks ensure this delicate balance is upheld, embodying the idea that all creatures are interconnected in the circle of life.
Hawks stand as sentinels of nature, balancing the intricate scales of life. Their presence is a harmonious chord struck in nature's grand composition. In every action, there's a ripple. And I, in my own small way, help shape the world into what it is meant to be.
From nest to sky.
Hawks are diligent nurturers. In spring, they build nests high in trees or on cliffs, creating safe havens for their offspring. Both parents partake in incubation, and once hatched, they tirelessly care for their young. This cycle of life is both tender and fierce, a testament to the hawk's dedication. Picture a nest hidden among branches, where fledgling hawks take their first flight, under the watchful eyes of their parents.
Hawks, the protectors and guides, witness their legacy's first fluttering steps. Their devotion shapes the next generation of airborne rulers. To nurture is to promise the future. Each flap of young wings carries our legacy further into the vast sky.
Wind and season.
Migration patterns of hawks illustrate their response to Earth's changes. As seasons alter the landscapes, hawks journey across continents, guided by instinct and the promise of sustenance. This migratory dance is vital for survival, connecting disparate ecosystems and linking diverse geographic regions. Envision hawks crossing vast expanses, carrying stories of lands far apart, all driven by intrinsic cycles.
Wandering stars in the open skies, hawks dance to nature's rhythms as they traverse vast distances, each flight a testament to the planet's unyielding cycles. In every departure, there's a sense of coming home. My journey binds the continents with invisible threads of continuity.
A legacy of myths.
From ancient myths to modern culture, hawks have always symbolized vision and freedom. They are seen as messengers, bearers of truth, and signs of strength. Across cultures, the hawk incites respect and awe, linking past to present with stories of their revered status. Fascinate yourself with the woven tapestry of tales, where hawks carry the wisdom of civilizations long gone.
Timeless and eternal, hawks soar through the ages. Their flight carves the skies with legends, carrying history's whispers on every gust of wind. Legends have walked my path before, and in each breath of wind, I too become part of those sacred stories.
Facing tomorrow.
While many hawk species are plentiful, some face threats from habitat loss and human interference. Conservation efforts strive to protect these magnificent birds, ensuring future generations witness their beauty. The tale of hawks is one of resilience, urging humanity to uphold its duty to nature. Imagine a world where hawks soar through clear skies, a testament to the joint efforts of mankind and nature in safeguarding our shared future.
In the face of Earth's challenges, hawks rise as beacons of hope. Their presence reminds us of our shared responsibility, whispering the promise of tomorrow in every flap of wing. In every challenge, there's an opportunity to rise. My wings, unfurling against the sky, bear witness to a world cherished and protected.